So hi friend, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I came with another important job opportunity. So this is the hiring from Cisco. So they are hiring for Associate Sales Engineer Trainee, Technical Graduate Apprenticeship, Indian UHR. So job description you can see here and your impact and all things. Now they have mentioned the minimum qualification for this hiring. So you must have completed a 4-year bachelor degree, okay, in any course. Must have graduated in 2025, so this is for 2025 pass out batch, and must be available for a period of 12 months. So they have clearly mentioned that you should be available for 12 months, okay. And other important things, they have mentioned that you must have a good communication skill and must have enrolled as a student on http://natseducation.gov.in. Means you should be a valid student, and preferred qualification that you should have bachelor degree of 4 year in any stream. This is important point, that any streams are eligible. Then basic knowledge of MS Office tool and good communication skill, passion, desire to learn. Okay, so if you need free course for MS Office, then you can also DM me or you can comment here, then I will provide a dedicated video according to this. Okay, must have graduated in 2025 and obtained degree certificate. Main thing is that you should have degree certificate, otherwise you will not eligible for this. And I have already uploaded a video related to Upgrad. So they are hiring for 2024 and 2025 pass out batch. So if you haven't filled that form, go and fill it now. This is on the wonderful opportunity for the BE, BTech and ME, MTech students. So go and fill and must provide all the detail very carefully. Another important hiring, so this is urgent hiring for need software developer, full stack developer, and this is back from home opportunity. So packages or salary is 4 to 34 LPA, and you can just send your CV to Tech Cloud. So Tech Cloud is hiring for this. Okay, and these are the some requirement. You should be proficient in any one language, Java, Python, JavaScript, and beside that familiarity with web framework and other things. So this is the important job update. And friends, for getting job update must subscribe us. I regularly post various job updates, so you can see I have uploaded for Upgrad, so you can go through it. Salesforce hiring for 2025 pass out, and also multiple hiring freshers hirings are there. And if you haven't applied for IBM, especially if you are 2024 and 2025 pass out, then go and apply. So there are lots of job opportunity I am regularly posting, so you can subscribe for getting any job update. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. So मिलते हैं अदर जॉब अपडेट में. थैंक यू.